My name is Scott Slepikas. I'm with Slepikas Farms in Huron, South Dakota. I'm a corn and soybean cow-calf operation. Not a big operation. I farm about 900 acres and about 500 acres of pasture, 100 head of cows. I started off with this project here shortly before harvest. The combine was in my local shop and they said I had cracked wheels. I said, oh boy, what's that going to cost? They said, well, they're $3,500 a wheel. It says, we got one. Well, that doesn't do me any good. You need four. So I told them, I said, well, let me do some shopping around. So I called another local tire shop and they told me the same thing. They said, well, we had 25 of those wheels when we started this year. We're down to 4. You want them? I said, sure. They're $800 a piece. Well, that sounds like a deal. Hold them. I'll be down to get them. Then I got to thinking, so, well, maybe this isn't the way to go. I better do a little shopping around, see if I can find something a little better, because I'm afraid I'm going to be doing this again in another 4 or 5 years. I had a good friend that had the same thing happen to him about 2 years ago. He says his wheels were broke out and he had to put new wheels on his combine. So that don't sound good. So I decided we got to find a different solution. Actually, I was on the internet doing a little snooping around there on Facebook and recommendations to check out Kelgen Wheel Company and with NTS Tire. And so I called them and they said, oh yeah, we have a couple different ways we can go. They have the straddle duals and then they have a remanufacture of the original wheels to make them better. And they said, well, which one's better? So you want the straddle duals, they'll last longer. They'll last as long as you'll ever own a combine, he says. And I said, well, I don't know if I'll own the combine for much more than 2 or 3 years. I'll probably trade these. Then I got thinking, well, I'll just keep the tires and put them on the new machine. That's what I'll do. And I was already in the process of mounting tires and I had one oddball on there. I said, I think we're just going to put 4 new tires on. We're going to upgrade to the next size bigger. Extra flotation comes in awful handy on a wet year. What I like about the NTS tire design, if you look in the middle, you'll notice there's the center bolt ring and the outside bolt ring. Well, originally we had 20 bolts right around the middle. Well, what happens is they put too many bolts in there and then we can take all the steel away because the holes are too close together and then they crack out between the bolts. So they went back to a 10-bolt wheel and you take out 10 bolts and just use 10 bolts. And then the duals bolt on the outside a whole different bolt pattern with more bolts. And the wheels are made out of 1/8-inch heavier steel to start with. Just a much better design. I think I'm very happy with them. They should last me as long as I want to farm, I guess. I've got another 10 years in me and I think they'll last that long. And the tires they sold me, it was a Brigstone tire that very impressed with them. Are they going to be good tires? I said, Brigstone hasn't made tractor tires for a while. Now they're back in the market. I said, are they good? He says, you'll like them. And I said, I'm very impressed with them. Very good bar on them that will, I think will do a very good job when we get in some wet conditions.